Hello, Stevers. If you hear me scream in this video, comment 911 in the video, because I played a Luigi board game, and Carol is mad at me. Why am I so blurry? Am I not blurry? I don't know. Today I'm going to be doing, well, what you saw in the title. I'm going to be painting the Squishies, episode 4. I think. Pretty sure it's episode 4, right, guys? I'm just going to say that it's episode 4. But today, I'm going to do something that you must do. The next layer. The next layer, I'm going to put some. I need a new paintbrush. That one's too hard. Yes. This is a good one. I am back. Hold on. I want to see my dogs attacking. Hello. I'm gonna go now. I have no idea what they're doing. Nope. I'll be right back. I am back and it's already been 3 minutes. Sorry. So you probably want to look at me. So right now, I'm going and doing the next layer on this black one. I saw him today. My dad's just asking where my cat is / Starlight. He always screams at my dog. My dog. My dog knows not even to go to my room. It's so scary and big. I'm very silent. And I know that. I don't know why I'm being silent. I've already made 4 episodes and I don't know what to say. Well, 4 episodes counting this one. 5 minutes? Wow.
The gate was open. It was open. I'm just telling you.
Dad, remember Carol?
Carol?
Yeah, the demon ghost.
The demon ghost? No.
Well, Carol might be playing tricks on us. Or Helda. Helda got bitten by a vampire and somehow died from that. I'll be right back. Stay close. Sorry, this video would be lots shorter. Would be there would be less white backs if I could just edit it out if I knew how to do it. Look at this black paintbrush. No, it's gonna turn brown. Nope, it's gonna be stained like that. Well, I need some gray. Because this is the layer that I put some gray on. Right, I'm only put in a little bit of black paint. That's good. Please don't turn into black. Please don't turn into black. Please don't turn into black. It didn't turn into black. Turned into gray. Beautiful dark gray. So I can definitely say that it's a darker gray. Yeah, they definitely have a darker gray, but it's still gray. Why did I keep on saying I definitely have a darker gray so many times? Oh, there's a fourth. Oh, there's a second. My name is Chicken Head. Did our cat run away again? Breaking news. Cat runs away for the 100th time. put too much. I accidentally got some black in with that white and made gray spot. And this isn't an old panda, is it? It's not an old panda flying try, is it? Just whip. This is pretty thick layers, so I think I should only have to do like 2 layers. Like, so this one and the one that was already on there. Where's my napkin? Oh, there it is. Yeah, I'm like, yeah. So now I'm gonna do some black. Now I need to do some black. That's great, Stephen. Black. There. My panda French fries are almost done. Oh yes, and people, stay wise. Remember, I also have to do the bottom, so this might be more than 4 episodes. Oh my gosh, 13 minutes. 30 minutes. I'm doing a 30-minute video, and then I'm going to have to go right to chores. Alright, people? Wait. I need to put on white paint. How does my arm look, people? I'm not trying to show you my arm, but you are. But I am. Not trying to, but I am so quiet. I don't know what to say. I am so quiet. Yes, I am. I am so quiet. I am so quiet. Yes, I am. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. So much fun. I forgot the words. The most famous song of all. I forgot the words. The panda french fries are coming together. I don't know what that means. I might make a just 2-minute video of me just putting on, because I might have to put the ear on in this, one ear in this video, and then make the 5th episode just me putting on the 2nd ear, which is going to be like 2 minutes. Alright, people? It's too black. I'm on the black side now. I am so quiet, I don't know why. I am so quiet and I don't know why. Well, this layer is gonna, the first layer I did on this side is very see-through. So I'm going to have to do some more stuff. Let me get to my white paint as quick as I can. And do this back side. I am so quiet. Do you guys know the cue for being quiet? Oh. After this line, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Alright, so the line is over. I'm gonna show you it. Alright, so see that line that has the big up on it? That's the line that I just finished. I'm gonna have to take away that up. Goodbye, up. No, what have I ever done to you? Ah, don't hurt me. My mom's listening to Taylor Swift. No, she's playing Christian music. Well, that makes no sense. I didn't think she liked Taylor Swift that much. But she wasn't trying to play a Taylor Swift song. She was trying to play Christian song. Oh my goodness, it's already been 22. I'm gonna make this 30 minutes. Alright. Panda 12. Need more paint. Need more black paint. Where's my black paint? Oh. No. Oh. Oof. And yeah, up comes old Santa Claus. Down to the and out pops the chimney, good Saint Nick. I don't know the words to that song. The three kings of blah blah blah. I don't know the words. Can you guys hear the song my mom is playing? He's playing some Christian music, I guess. I had no idea you could just ask Alexa to play Christian music. I need a new area for the weight. My white area has become a gray area. I'm gonna have to end this video in 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna spend the rest of my day doing shorts because I'm a slow person at shorts. Just kidding, I'll be fast. I'm gonna be a fast runner. Fast runner.
You see the cat out there, Snow? Is that what you're staring at? I do. He is seeing him. He's Diane, quick! What? He's staring at the cat. Come here! Why aren't you running? I'm wondering what he was staring at. He's right behind the tree. He's like.
Hold on, you guys wanna see my cat? I wanna see. You guys wanna see my cat? Starlight, can you come inside?
Hey, buddy. Starlight.
Where is he?
Can you still see him?
I'm gonna go finish my video.
Yeah, go ahead.
I have 3 minutes. I have 2 minutes left of my video. I have 3 minutes. I have 2 minutes to finish painting the first side of my squishy. So I'm gonna have to make the ears in a different video. Wait, 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. My sister's laughing at Mr. Beast, I bet. I bet she's watching Mr. Beast right now. Well, bye, Stevers, and have a great day. I'll have to finish this sometime later.